yet eba yen semre ma memfa to one said yet ten said jumadi no yet say true sound segment where away and some 5G energy drink kwama daroma ana chesa brebia te foreign news ni nyina no and some ama yet fontina no pray no yes said 5G emperor for say ewa bra me no ka say no ana chesa so yasene ama yet jama no nsem ni nyina no and so ama yet for unim say me no ka say na and some ana chesa yi ene free ma na chesa aya 3 more days to go ewa bra we no and so Olympic games say jumadi anyame ya duma and some aba so Fridays and Friday no medical dia to them say enso na ye fa no say reversing ewo Paris eho ana chese opening ceremony ni nyina no and some aba so security aya tight our alert no and some other chese coaches and omo maka ni nyina no make chona no our table of say wo so shall say arrive and so abo Paris et a chance nyame ya duma jumadi awa say no so aba so ni nyina no and you man some aba come ewa bra we and some Olympic games say jumadi to jumadi no when so aya countdown amano kasino aya 3 days more to go na yeni kan hwe said ya medals no and no and some never see akwa esansa me no kasa medals nyame ya duma wo mo so aba present adiama aleta wo mo so abaji gold and what will be abaji silver obi and some abaji bronze ni nyina no so nie na jamensa kan say when some aya CMG ya kasa CMG ana chas omo and de aya fan ebedru chas akura ya fan so Paris omo baba broadcaster ayo Olympic games ama manfo nyina no and some anya bi ahwe ntomo fan no we and 8K natures ultra acha so mo betwa Olympic games no and some ama ye kama almost studio ne enti almost studio na jamensa kan sa wo so mountain ne kan sa and ayo Olympic flame and what wo so gold medal aye silver medal and for bronze medal ye rabin to win about you gold no and wo so na be fa more silver ni nyina ayo big question our brand no pay no ye bi say our bra we and some exhibition and some nagusu alcoso awonsam ni nyina no ye de ema ye te for jumadi anyame ya duma and some start to fight them am ora fan sa aye antimary na antimary say ye want to just walk akodro na antimary aye Britannia branch ban say jumadi ye fan say tennis wono some na obi odum tintiman pa na mary say walk akodro aye jumadi na say na the obaso kan nyina say we and some about the last aye event wono some abako na just at the last aye tennis competition or reference and tomorrow so okono and some onion to obo awie as to say be marry ebeje and say be and marry and some never from ntam nyina no was say you want to just away and some other just about competition and no chat to our bra ho nsam nyina no yet ema yet for another pay and some our show no to one kasa we make post our socials nyina so wo ko aye na IG and what wo ko ayade say na X I takan sa ayade say na Twitter ho nyina no what some other message ade ato a just send the last event in Sunie a just an announcement ora ye father say anti-marry and somebody to get another pay make one some show say ayo real father say LeBron James I know and about flag bearer at your team US of A now just a member our project nyame ya duma and some about cause Olympics ni nyina mo no ebe man your man some I find at jama omo na make so mo game wo mo some boy a friendly match and answer ye ta kan say be a practice game wo some boy ade chena no pay and some our Ghana wo mo twa Germany team no and no, I 92-88 our brother LeBron and 20 points which almost say fourth quarter and Kuano while I say 11 points I don't know boy now LeBron age 40 and Jumadia LeBron and that's what all dinning you know Jamaican is a flag bearer Jumadia one some Adiaman Unim say among for say one more boss Steph Curry Abbas Adea one say the one casa per time nam a TB as so run for Steph Curry Aquia one some fast so at the announcement to buy sir boys nyina kotena sesa wo mo to aba omo nyina agi to mu say wo mo man di probahim franka enye LBJ enom LeBron James no na chese enom by announcement ora ye fan Steph Curry and some adba yakro club and say team dia wo bia on team na mo ya be hie our national also mo kabom eye bako Steph Curry ade na baso ball and also church mo and some other LeBron James ade no ho.
Half of myself and the entire men's Olympic basketball team, we would like to nominate LeBron James to be the flag bearer for all of Team USA. We understand how much of an honor it is to be in that position, and I think LeBron's entire career on and off the court speak for itself as him being worthy of that honor. He started back in 2004 representing Team USA as an Olympic athlete, and now in 2024 going for his 4th Olympic medal. His NBA career speaks for itself, but I think more than that, since 2004, he's represented what it means to be excellent both on and off the court, and his commitment to service and to uplifting the community in all ways that he knows how has been a lifelong passion, and the work speaks for itself. So between his I Promise School, the LeBron James Foundation, and all that he's done to impact lives, not just in the U.S., but around the world, I think puts him in a position to be worthy of this honor.
Yes, and no, I am some more red fans, Steph Curry, and our Tessa, your day, Nissan, Bantuay, and some Lakers, a Brantia, your fans, LeBron, and our Tessa Warriors, and so I put about our brand, yes, I call a games, I can into the day, I blare, near Canada, flag bearer, Jumediano, and some Adiaman in Nemo, Omutiriabas and Numa, LeBron, I out the court, and on court, and was a Fatasa was one, and our Kita Franca, Edema Team Jewels of Fair, and I Steph Curry, and the San Seminino, and some other buyer. Now report to me and say, can say, okay, say, Enra, make a choice, say, Omo to Ben Santiago and a bow, and some other complaints about Sanano crowd here. Woman to me and that day, I just a Moyamo Stadium, Maria, and I just a Timifa event to be out boxing. What the num and a just be at Jumedia be out of NFL Sansana, Wamayama Stadium, the grounds, about that multi purpose, and to Jumedia be a Real Madrid, and some our stadium or our brand, and some other Sikababa be out there. Woman so bet me at Jiska, Amachase, woman Jenny Pound, and Raukaya, make a choice, woman to bump and a bow, SMC and a backward and Yamayama September, woman bet here to Yatramopa, Emma and Ramekaya Pasa Mekase, remodeled for some, I'm also better, now for most what me also Sanyo Money, you know, Sasa 1, and yet Dedicate 2, and some iron futuro artists in the Patom way will be also Baba and a bow, Abashoa. Now so be also kitaka one parking lot abayama and tell me I'm and chan just say in so na ebi obi be park dia na just am bon futuro aniate na Jaminian and nano prayer say yes city council of Madrid amanya jatum yes almost say free na kure say omo ye concert our Santiago and the bell and you enfo and o 10 ye enfo and o tiatia enfo and o sika wo yes eduru sa time na wabo concert and I'm a broswa. I spend time and I draw at 11 o'clock about 11 amasa. I was saying Mudundu Fudiano and will be some aquakota because about 11 Namu Dasuya did the Kim Nam about 2 million how much Sabra and I feel could be Baba Danipa Giamasa and since I found out concert and jam and some sending Pagia. What was say Omoba Homa or just Abraham and the final Contaminian and some other side way and some city council and some other Madrid Chrono. One was a free no concert be about Cosubiano at 11 o'clock and I joke not just our brass out time no ya to a stadium ni more and I update about 170 yet the Emma yet for an anno pay and some our show so Rima Rutimino yet some a chill hot dear woman like a cacana so Rima for us so much I say woman if you know, woman no bar, or your bar show 3 in Bapa, woman show 6, and tis any woman difference a crown yet. Nanny attack and you're solid, our bra attack a year Juma, and one I just say here, and to the American can you understand? No casino, woman cause some Pacotana, your father's American Laporte, yet so no, and some will be your boy Adam Al Nassar, and some our Saudi, woman number tones and Ronaldo Munina Fusa Bino, no matter our from them so much Laporte, boy, I was sure anymore. And now I know Casa Real Madrid Enya. One more pen and some material basa Sikasam, Abama, just a boy in move no, and some I difficult say, and also about me a bustle. One was your could have found us Andrek, and I know my chance here, Johnny take it in a Musadia. One year in Mbappe Adiana Biasia, and Andrek, also presentation, and some about me a course was some no Casino, one of some Papuano Antoma, and it's a unveiling a basodia. Not just our Sakurana found us Andrek. deɛ no wɔn nso agya ticket no mu nso mmarima ɔmo a wɔn nso abɛsɔ ɔmo pa bi akyɛ sɛ ne nyinaa no nso ayɛ update ɛba na mɛ no kasa no pɛ Real Madrid team no mɛma ne nna da sɛ bi a Real Madrid ɔmo ayɛ nia yɛka no sɛ ɔmo transfers awie mɛte sɛ Real Madrid ɛnya nwie baabi ɔmo hwɛ no sɛ bi ɔmo bɛtumi ahyɛ mo kina no baabi ade sɛ central defence ɛno ayɛ center back ɔmo pa bi aba ɛna left back ɛbɛsa sɛ bɛsi na no yɛhu de Alfonso Davies ɛbɛso wɔkyerɛ ɛnti Real Madrid gusu a wɔn nso apɛ left back ɛde aba ɛna Real Madrid team no wɔn nso apɛ goalkeeper no ɛyɛ 3 positions a mɛ no kasa no wɔn nso pa bi aba bɛhyɛ bɛsansa ɛba ne mfimfini a wɔn ayɛ okay ɛba n'anim ɔkora deɛ nneɛma sa wotum sɛ gyanko a gu anim hɔ a kyɛ sɛ ne nyinaa no nso ayɛ update a mɛ nsa ka ho nsɛm no yɛde ɛma yɛkyɛ fa ɛna no pa yi nso awɔ show no so bonsa adeɛ baako no sɛ Araujo mekasa enra obakwa ne surgery enso our Finland wɔn say ayɛ successful Araujo ayɛ surgery na hwie na wɔbɛkɔ bosome maako enan na kyɛ Araujo bɔbɔbɔla gye nyame yɛ adoma the month of December ana Ronaldo Araujo enso na betumi asi akan na jamese kan sɛsia no sɛ nanka Barca fo no so ayɛ ɔmadwe sɛ akodan no wɔn so anya ɔmo bɛtɔn esan sɛ ɔmo diri ba sɛ wotɔn Araujo a ɛbɛma sika ne ba wobɛtumi di transfer market no mu now some odi ahye wo team no makina na mom de menya no sɛ wa bra player yi asom akwa prasa wonim sa yɛse na nkomo twa Manchester United sanka bia Man U biska kyɛ so baba na o pride na United akwa fa ɛyɛ lani euro nanka Barca fo no gidie sɛ anka yara on tianka sɛ Barca fo no wo mo twentwen amana senanka bia bɛyɛ 70 b bɛyɛ 80 million euros nanka boboku a yɛfa no sɛ Man U atiaba ana boy no koko prior enei ama United kofa shoro enso adene buy enti enam no kase pass any option bi esansa akora no obi a wo pledge say December no obebo board here obi a no obeto ne nam no kase enti dia be ya no say Barca be ha normal alma negotiate say be owura no enso be extend the contract enso adema FC Barcelona na report to me nya no say sakoba se Barca wo mutimi conference aye La Liga campaign for say be ampa boy no obetena fie eno aye 4 months ebia ne medical chese ayade se nioma nie ebia ne scan ene chese MRI ne san nioma nyina ne adia jaminya no so boy ne salary yasem omo betumi agina eno so edia register players enso adia kan o ama chese omo so abo edia ma Barca eno aye chese proof keke awose Barca ekoye enso awla liga fo so ye na mame bebao yese bebao for same woman enra woman the one in Emma Barcelona na yesi ne kwado omo the pressure eto akwara no so obi afra na mo mfa so do holiday shark mame aye boy no da so tinsuo so wo di no holidays ana kwade ye hu se akwara na mfa no se Nico Williams no wonom anso no player ye fa no se Alvaro Morata omo nyina no ana di holidays ana di oka ho ye fa no Ramiro omo ana cheso omo di omo holidays ka da masanya brabia na wa fa no afa du ba bia wo mo se konsuo no so bi ebi ayotui na woteso ya do koba wo chele ni paso yomme enti banyima banware beto masa duruba bia awasa wo chele masika usampa akoyi dimi akoyi miame ama tese me ho kire misika die dia bra ya pa duruba bia wa na abram wa na unya chele hwinsi bibia ni wa eno so ababa wa bra nkodan ketenkete ana tese abrabia holidays wo mo so adaso edina jamense kan say be bawo yeso mo the pressure atu akura no so say any kwasa akura ni tie ko wo bi oya dwuma ma Barca bi afra na mo ntie because oya player edema on terminating the contract one more chance about free holiday saba now about start pre-season it almost the pressure Marco na mo Barca yes wo mo agidi atwa mo say Aquadano, the final yes, Ababa, and Yama somewhere later this week. Ebia some final yes, and about me about in fact, yes, in Panaphonibi, as our GDS say, and in Aquadano Bacano, Yabe, Asabia Waka, the attendance or didn't know, and so ain't he homogeneous Chomasak and Biaso byway, and some other journey FC Barcelona, and no I up the time, Mamma Barca coach, your finance flick, now flick, and some Nakasa because Emra made an accepts amana me control sir one Barca one our interview na manager no so ba Barca nyoma wo hunu masa na ni so keke anye se bia born of physical ne keke se bia o ho idea ne mo ba no se bia tactical born no ye be say ye be ko say ye be fight the best here and some anesanya nyoma nyina ne kan bi ana chese be ma Barca etimi abo enso adim kono ye ntie nsema owura fa no sanse flick and some other two fa team no ho
tactical side, especially from the fitness side, because it's a great idea. You know, it's unbelievable what I can see here from the first beginning of the first training. For me it's crucial that you have it's every step. You know, the fitness is the basic. You need the fitness, but you also basics are the tactical or the technical or tactical side, and this is everything includes. So football is much more than only to play the ball, or it's something more. This is, for me, it's crucial to be fit, especially from
yes na chese se bia wo sha gym ana bia wo di na dia na sempo wo ye chese cardio ni aerobics ne nkwane mo medru ba bia wo dia hode no so bewram na fa ne tactical na fe wo de ede wo twuma mansiri bobo kwana me se and a boy 11:30 Ghana time wo mo som ana Glasgow Celtic ana bona wo mo game against aye Celtic no medical ya tudara dama me aye siri bobo konu sa our US our North Carolina wo mo call children's hospital na yesen kura no kura nya wese bia Man City fo no beba ho we aye Man City players no so mo kono wo the Premier League title no so ko say wo mo gene mako fo obi anya bi da e wa Brazil e kono nyina no wo mo the Premier League trophy e koi enkoda no mo hospital bi the info nyini e bi twa pictures e bi je aye autographs and sanyo man nyina no Man City so asa cha enkoda no e bi mo anso chese achade e wa bra gift and sanyo ma kan nyina no and so makos amankoda wo mo so our North Carolina our hospital ho a chese nyina ya doya Man City team no wo mo so akwakoye na manager for the Pep and you be sansa kodana the last time they betu just oko Brozola ye fano Savinho nemom ni dinum aye Savio masa wo ma joma de frijuro nya ball pa fano sa ball woni ball pretend baba dia bra and ya Premier League musa fana de nkonkoma because o miya squad ni pa ana amubusa Pep say na Savio anasa Savinho wo dia akora na ba e dia na akora nim ye no se hwe wonom tenten wo benkum obo nifa obo wo san boni finfin ko betimi abadamom wo mu hia ne sem omra nifa na se benkum awo wings on mo na odashiro fo ase aye coach Michel and chase the teammate ono mo bobo last season omo na aboa ama Savinho and man some akoye adjaman yenti Pep awa bra wo bo na kwara na baso.
Well, the impact have done in Girona have been absolutely amazing. So I think Michel, the manager, make an incredible job with him. Can play in both sides, left winger, right winger, even, and can play I think in the middle, but we need more special in the wingers. His 1-against-1 is devastated, and he's a young, and of course I said to Jack to bring maybe not a lot, but 1 or 2 players to bring something fresh is necessary. It's not necessary to put sometimes 7-8 players. You cannot, in modern financial issues, to change 6-7 players. They bring 6-7 new players. It's unsustainable. It's impossible. We have to be smart, and we try to do. Many players want to come here, but we didn't get an agreement, for the clubs because they ask so high price, and we didn't do it. And
yes, na just many janabas watch us a place anka Bobo Crefan is a Man City Pomodoso pa na mom na baby abakobia obi amiana boso players no womo aye den to sana one smart na bi ankoda no one tobi amfansie said and other teams ni bi ya waso abaya shinti many janabas watch us and day abo mo power bra Savinho nka wo koto a ka boy no bo ba den power bra no kasa koda no womo de omade enso aba Arsenal enso our LA ameno kasa mo training no enso across our California na mediato no so abo Bournemouth abo Man United na Arsenal abo Bobokua ye fan say Man City unum say temenya no say player ye fan say Leandro Trossard mame aye Trossard ono no wache say enye say bia we ni keke ye say Trossard wache aye Arsenal for omo coaching staff omo de koye no ye say we journalists and some for a wo di Arsenal chiko watch twa bia de ataka no se snooker no wamamo fa no pool yes pool no watwa bia nipa makoma 7 we ba no wagene de no wakotena se we ba no wagene no wakotena se said your Drogo shota enim TV game abono Leandro Trossard enso de no enso ayo pool snooker e wa bro diama Arsenal central for no enso na chese ba bi o mu base e wo ella eno aye update about Ricardo Calafiori yari ato no so boy no o ma wie oba until 2029 3.5 million euros a season media to him dada new bonuses aye 500,000 euros and also ma kan one smatro na mum de eba no say Bologna for say woman in Basel, HSC pe 10 free course watching be Arsenal and some auto akwadane dia almost our 10% salon clause our brother Jamaican said this week buy them abakwa medical na fe one some assign at the team Arsenal from Mikel Merino Makacho dada Jamaican can Sompa say I'm a placing a phone calls at the alcohol our brother Brennan some ajatum Sompa Arsenal and some panasa Kobasebia Arsenal and Mikel Merino etimi wie dia and your boy no some about Johnny team no Olympic Marcel team no our GDS say wampo edinkatia wamo some abefa no na omo GDS chomo say boy no omo betimi awie no ebia this week na nyam yadoma next week omo the announcement no and some ade aba Manchester United wamo so omo be so omo ton a player na your friend is Scott McTominay mabeka cho da ana Victor Lindelof of Lemom Tominay dia no ka se enwa me de betu dwa se many Janus on person boy ne beko yes Tominay no wo mu consider say oye key and some other manju or your player or value no mom say obeda Manchester moment Tominay just be your sika or de ban emu topa anya sa pa dia wo mu to akora ne mfa ne mawo a chese ne nyina na aye update no and some ba ho sem ne nyina no ye Emma yete for enano pay and some our shoro some me akotana ye fan say Lenny Joro ye bisa say ayampa say woni Rio Ferdinand edin komo or confirm ye say ayampa Lenny Joro.
So Rio Ferdinand, this is a legend in Man United, so for me this is an honor. This is a big defender, legend, so yeah, big honor for me.
When did you first talk to Rio?
It was like 2 weeks ago. He called me, so first of all, I was really impressive to speak with him. And yeah, we spoke like
yes, I know I kakra bia akwadana ere to dwa de menya no sese an say Chelsea for say Trevor Chalobah woman for nan Olympic Games me tese boy no yes ne raho and han pass Chelsea ere treatment to be at say and some man or disappointed no mom yes boy ne say on still obekọ so fighting for the position and you won what did you about omo ya kasa an woman you now bought the same position for fun anom and Chelsea does disasi and tossing Adara Bio Yomunina no one I better a chance after one to one day we best stay no fighting for the position of faith make this a Raheem Sterling what have on one Casabe Jema Apostle say Bema ya jatum sa kwampiaso no woman some abejano kwan Chelsea yes woman so yes signing srimienu and ansem yensa eka wo ansana the month of July and some akọ na wie ye omo kasa an Chelsea beton and so Fernandes and am no kasa report no Chelsea no kwa bia nim omo se de asi an hwinsi aye just education and akwadano woman some adebema no ntia kobasa bia aye just education and kwandia na bi o ma chano se manfra no ni nyina so ya na ye nti hwinsi a chese ni nyina no aye update about Ben Chilwell almost ton Kono Gallagher yes Atletico for say kwambia so anche boy no omefa omo buy Chelsea rejected woman send babiem arches and nyina no and so aye update eba sansem nyina no ye de emiete for show no aye fully packed ye nyina so na afa ye fancy na ye nko ensam na biem.
Yes.
The ball is there. We all maintain the position, guys. Stay in position. The ball arrived to Cristo. The ball arrived there. The ball arrived outside. Stay in position.
I want to play is the longer one, so I want to play there. So I move a little bit this side.
Meza say be fine there.
Me do 2 years on here there.
Oh,
and now go now step now stop now move now jina. Hey.
Me be hu ya fere mo.
Yede ya hwamu
mo ya hwamu kra chense de mo hwe
ayo aba fresh de sa
ayoro
oh Chelsea de bi aba fresh
so mo bo bi ayoro e clear ye no
oh je
no na de be mark no
oh jai very oh je we
say Lenny Joro
we e match
yo
politicians the club watch Chelsea
na Euro de so wa ba mo bi on so wo ya de
Enzo Mares Canada school so aye ka
ye mo bo
na Euro abede ewu
ye mo bo
somebody ehu mu anie
yo
aba fresh porta ba ye tede mo kan
on no nya de
ai mo ye mo hu bio Pochettino ba ye tede mo kan
nya de
yo yate ye de see ehwe fancy I think say me sha see free Chelsea honum na me sha see free Chelsea honum now the list of modi ko pre-season no aba na em say the raise concerns pa Trevor Chalobah amafo dodo na wogidie say wo sanka Chalobah timi ko pre-season ni bi wo US because season e ba be end no na oye player ba kwa no form de ma Chelsea pa o de no so to nchen a amafo dodo na asaso wogidie say we no otimi bo as center back or no as timi bo as right back ubetimi using in 3 back system ubetimi using in 4 back system iti omo hwe akoda na and at the same time so once akoda otimi sabo 6 who said to me using as a defensive midfielder
yeah
iti the role city both different positions ubetimi using in different systems no ka ehun behia sanka akoda we can bet mama na tena but fancy there are a lot of questions so abebusa about akoda we a obehwe ni mu say e bi ene Enzo Maresca ba befa dwumadi no obetimi ama na ba beto aso na so ntimi ma ne nto aso now with only position na obo no the right center back position now obesa so as the right back in that particular position no oh you can see a fan right back no kwa Reece James any Malo Gusto na dey ewo ho now we Reece James ni Malo Gusto the free honum na obepie mo right center back na omo otosi na dara bioyo Chelsea ewo Fofana and Chelsea saw Axel Disasi now these 3 players comparatively Ore Chalobah now share Disasi now share Fofana
Sompa Sports
now o share Gusto now her Reece James even at the right back now no credi nyame nim nie onya form de but say Fofana ye fit na Disasi ye fit na tosi na daro biero ye fit e very difficult sa akoda we benya biabo
yes
statistically may the stats be to me for them say Shadrack Benyamamia you understand say Chalobah amru Fofana so bebre omru no so kura no akoka chen so obru no so bebre now with the rankings na that screen you so no we Chelsea ni a tie bi na hwe ni ye na hunu die ntia Chelsea make this decision I've already said this is a club as I say no mo see a data driven decisions no beteki omo nya hwe with emotions e wom so ya academic graduate wanyini ho na free one de aba but omo di data na ye omo bibia sa akoda no money nuru ho no ma ombeja ne kwan manako now the tia me gitum ye se Chelsea fo ja ne kwan ana mo pese okonie on your screen ye wo Disasi ye wo Chalobah ye wo Fofana ye wo Adarabia you now statistics omo di way omo e compare omo e passes forward passes progressive passes defensive actions defensive duels area duels progressive carries and a minute played now as a center back baby e bedi kan de we wo kese pa e defensive actions
yeah
now in terms of defensive actions no Trevor Chalobah average 34.2% per every single 90 minutes Disasi ejina 2.6 then Wesley Fofana ejina 63.8 osoro then Obama after 63.8 ni nipa oba Adarabia yo onu ni ejina 73.4 now we these players no mo money nyomo mu di na anka all rank yo mo a anka Fofana ne dikan ansakra na ebi a Chalobah beto so ansa na ebi krampa wa ba benya Adarabia yo amono so ababi itika all rank players krampa ka defensively koma ho den wo soro a anka be Fofana ofiri wanu aba be fa Trevor Chalobah ansa na ofiri wanu aba Adarabia yo ansa na Disasi krabato but ofiri honum na ba bia so hunya na se coach no mo de na ba no oye coach of a high line of possessive football it's progressive carries any passes any forward passes e be very crucial to omu progress
say e be a central defender born wo ho
ma wotimi pia de ko ana wo san wan kasa timi sa fa ball ne carry ball ne de ball ne ko onim very important.
Sompa Sports.
So bet my adwuma no. Na eno na se okọ list ni mu din a. First di Maria, even in terms of passes, ubenya Trevor Chalobah onu no ejina 52.7, then obeba no ba behwe Disasi ojina 89.3, oba behwe Fofana ojina 58.5, then Adarabio ojina 49.8. Fancy. Oh, compare these players according to the passes na. Nipa odi kan Disasi. The otoso Fofana. Then oba benya Trevor Chalobah amanaba ansana Adarabio yoso aba. Then oba behwe forward passes na. In terms of percentage, the odi kan Disasi. The otoso Chalobah. The otoso Fofana. Ana the otoso Adarabio. Then oba behwe progressive passes. Adarabio di kan Fofana aba. Ansan oba benya Disasi. Any Chalobah ewo ho. It fancy already the rankings. Na to so na se ka ni nyina bom wutobi ahoden ni baby obi agina anka Fofana de on edi kan e wo nioma bebre mu. Then ansa na obeba the next person aba be Disasi in terms of in possession. Ansa na oba defending actions na de aka so aba be to so. So statistically, I believe Chelsea believes omunya momma Fofana ka na omoma Disasi to so. Na omma Adarabio yo so kan ho a they have a good balance to make sure say ombetimi dia boa. It also muja Chalobah kwan maneko. Mini omuni tracker bia se fancy ade we say die. Omunya boni bia wo. About when your sentimental issue. A data driven decision at Chelsea eteki. Sa akoda ne nko. No be fufuro so me dey. Embeto aso. Na bibia so nko yifa. And almost a tona or discover day ebebro because or academic graduate, so it's total profit for them. There be our Chelsea for be one down and some bit ma struggle kakla na say and some bit me abre one here injury situations around some of these players. A bit say for Fofana a good season. I think he has shown say he's better than all of the centre backs that they have in terms of the right centre back and so bit me abom. With the injury stone chair that is why maybe Disasi mu nyina so bit me abem bi no ma babeboa na nyoma koye dia mom. Fancy. Now me say Victor Osimhen issue no Boba na ahwa wontimi sane ma Paris Saint-Germain because nkomodidie ne kan lean sensem ne kopie mu bae no enye kan lean per se kura na ma bufu ne bae. Now De Laurentiis was part of the meeting that was held. Na De Laurentiis ka meeting no obi a obeka se no nkan obi a no nkan Oni Napoli sporting director
no obi grant na
negotiation abra no nkan David. Now can you lead and also Victor Osimhen really score us 120 million euros. Now PSG doesn't want to pay the 120 million euros. They want to negotiate. Now come spread this canon. Because Mama Matias here say sisi ano Gonzalo Ramos sikabi wo so butua ne nyoma bi ban ho so butimi ye. Kwa skeli omo men ho biem. Na eno na kan yi lead na nkasa na omo pe no. Omo je kan yi lead na come charge 90 million euros. That means omo value kan yi lead 30 million euros. De Laurentiis na sama o kan no. O se PSG phone says kana in common no mo from we are no masaba. But for kindly with 90 million euros, I think Napoli are not being fair to Paris Saint-Germain. And Paris Saint-Germain now so also man kasa so timi hwe omo ho. No mu ni say player ben ye turn free team no man say player ben free team no see replace no. It is Kylian Mbappe. Because already you have Kolo Muani and you have Gonzalo Ramos. Why Victor Osimhen? The reason why they are pushing for Victor Osimhen is Luis Campos relationship with the agent. And the agent in him say club will be no why and address why see also befa Victor Osimhen in Europe apart from Paris Saint-Germain. It is also pushing it in the call. It is a deal there. Paris Saint-Germain etite. Paris Saint-Germain wants to replace Mbappe. Now no list in here. Medika Kase Sancho is part of the list. Now Rafael Leao is part of the list and Kivicha Kvaratskhelia is out of the equation. They are not ready to sell. AC Milan, me not sure some ready some beton Rafael Leao the name Paris Saint-Germain. It's about Bejina Sancho. And na Sancho deal no so no. Paris Saint-Germain tenasi deal almost so sha 58 million euros for Nico Williams. Scano me say mu said anye du mo.
Say na mo rush.
Release cross ne mu said anye du mo. Iti omo tetenwa Luis Campos akobo punu nim. Omo di nkomo. They want to understand say Abrante no sika na oje no. Now 200,000 ne kakra da so na Abrante ne onya Barcelona na no bebo. Nico Williams have said it time and time again. But in the football world we are no. Anyhow football sika same city tier. Any normal city wo football mu city tier no. Anything can turn within a twinkle of an eye. And no na mabasa for careful said there be enkofu we mu yenimomo. Si anya quick. Ni akuda na nya personal terms 10 oma be fa no
because of Luis Enrique
ombenya 10 and omo style of play na Luis Enrique person about Paris Saint-Germain
Fabian Ruiz
so ho
Sompa Sports.
It's a Spanish contingent, you know. I'm buying a was so Paris Saint-Germain. It's almost te hodi hwe. It's Barcelona and to me I agree personal terms with Akodawe because Paris Saint-Germain is ready to offer Akodawe 250,000 euros a week. They are ready to give him that amount of money and also make him a crucial part of the project. They have Bracola though. Say Bracola bet me about but mo say then who say Bracola na be the face of the project.
Bracola ntimi nye Mbappe juma no.
It's Luis Campos money brain. So on bet me rem. Barcelona wants to be very quick and make sure so much secure. Afi personal terms in the now financial fair play issues no mo deal with it. They know say they are secure with Akola no. Say on bet me nya. Now AC Milan use it for fun deal no. Fancy Di Maria.
So Oriano no.
And AC Milan is getting one fine player. And Scanner AC Milan is paying for him. I think it's very moderate. We go, we have 3 million euros. Fancy Di Maria. I think this is a good deal for AC Milan in a year to pay for such a talent like this. Artem Dovbyk, Eko, BBA to me see. Asasi the come out says on any player. Atletico Madrid wants to replace Alvaro Morata. So Ombenya na mana babishim. Na nyoma etimi apeke e de amomo.
Wo, me da say me za van say BBA fine.
O fans yami adom na onzo e.
BBA fine yami adom yenti o.
Fans e wi atu ti ase se obobra. Obobra wi na edrum rebi kra na se ne man sheda mfama wo a. Good wi na edin a waje ne bra na waboni nti. Obetimi da dan ho. En na ba se didi ho mprempren aye kasa yi. The Barca hope for ne say Nico Williams be hu say Barcelona asem na ye kano as compared to Paris Saint-Germain. Bra Barca abo, but in terms of newer player who here sika sem new sika u team budget there. Barca more close to Paris Saint-Germain. But now free Spain, that relationship with Yamal any died near Barca war with the hope say when everything settles, Barca benya that kind of firepower now when Barcelona is in element and it's only that brand no.
And I saw ball come new.
So what you here? And so you Spain ni nasa bobo Barcelona. This is a place obi a person obeko ho. Obi a person obeko ho. And I'm happy say Atletico for no till warning. Because ade ya ofena opa, you just go and then you make sure say o to ade no. But Barcelona for now your imagine say now omo dey I say omo nam ho omo ko ha na omo ti omo ko na omo ti ya because of say omo ni sika meet me like say na wan no. Nti no na Barca for edidi ho but so far Paris Saint-Germain na offer Barcelona with Nico Williams that teams ni mienu no me obi ani me position on that Barcelona with wingers of late aya na entire fa Paris Saint-Germain so Nico Williams it won't be a place for him because Paris Saint-Germain for naturally say consistently they've not been teams or more 2 projects so because I show more nim the entire be wan so kwa Victor Osimhen aba when the war Emrantia last is formed by Ramos move from Portugal bar no more players or more goals no this all was our players now who is Victor Osimhen so babe both team no but omune nam ho so omo sometimes I know they are lost in omo decisions I know bezo omo take into omo enso e no but akomia ye start ni bibia concerning Chalobah but Chelsea are not being fair to Chalobah
eno me unsa sa manfo na ekon Chalobah ntokwa
yes
especially wo UK ho
they've not been fair to him o do he asin so break he say o Chelsea senior team no o do pa where defenders are Chelsea for akwa form aba omuni na ba it will get to a point in time Chelsea defense ni be see Chalobah na so then time na Thomas Tuchel wo ho na Chelsea G Champions League you know he was playing alongside Thiago Silva mo and he was performing so set it up net 3 back now no dina right side why you hu de na Chalobah ye onu enu koda nchen omko fa decisive bae but they shili mu aba for fun amaba but sa place you mba eni na no omo ba no omo profile no omede ba no was better than Chalobah but mo buy what Chelsea no the defenders in the matches on the field of play say mu ye dia Chalobah is better than them So oni made ne ye. Na ye po am wa ya ade no na uni ho a oni made ne ye. And this case for fun ade no. He was a fine footballer from Leicester obebo dem at Chelsea. But Oba, he's not been that kind of person at Chelsea for here in terms of a more penama jumana de amo mo. Omunya no man me ye jumana va mo. But if you look at Chaloba, he will give you that durability, that be your faith to make sure so Obo on end the amount. Emuya dia otimbo 2 no, otimi ball as a center back. E ye din kana pian de ban finfin also. In someone obeti ma complement e won finfin ho. So I think they are not being fair to Chaloba. And so when no ball na wa body amomo or sanye England ni talk of about their serum ni decides mobile. These guys, they are not an upgrade over brand friend or Chaloba, but nyoma watchere.
O team dey could America for some they are to adwene mo. Omo e business.
Okay, bia and no na
minister
yes,
Arsenal. She man you for pa bransana we kra no almost e be ton 25%. San America for no suban tie. Arsenal sa.
You know, Chaloba then they are not being fair to him, but ni nano come say onya opportunity last season no obe yes adwuma dem a omo a eventually now obe boy ya yamanfo ko ntokwa dem no so onya Chelsea santina definitely obe sam omo that performance no but onya ho antina so betimi atoa so na wakwa kosi aka he someone I want profile ne nyoma wa ya wo Chelsea a okọ team bia mu a obetimi nya kakra enso atimi abo and the profile ne betimi asan afro akosoro Onana call Aston Villa. And yeah, sure more they are really doing some business or so in the more Champions League, no. So sure Onana with no man no Everton or bar Belgium with Euros, no more baba yeah. He's a kind of method that amount energy or method or that boss to boss, and then it's when the height now. Which mama film why take the my teams I would say I can hear one more. Never team for no Shadam fans in his heart. Because of how I know he's born. He's someone now, ball passes in a simple, precise pass, no corner baby, not over elaboration behind the idea. But so here Aston Villa now have 9 Emery, no matter with Aston Villa team now. He's getting players who face into his profile, over team down my edgema. And okay, the Telema now ho, with Onana Muho, and this is a replacement for Douglas Luiz, not a like for like replacement, but a replacement and yet below standard. So when you call Juventus, that's Onana Babi Shemua, you get your guy. And Obetima by my team of Aston Villa. They are going to the Champions League. Champions League, you know. So Ramu ha. Players are no Mukosia Kano. I am a honedi. So you need your squad to be thick. Aston Villa one test squad. I want you both season. You may be Alboga Cotono and Yadia Obepe. So Onana coming in Yadia. A good assigning no man's wet man, he will come in and help them with Omubi beyond Beso Moye. Joao Felix is someone and he didn't swap Aston Villa doing him. But Joao Felix, no. Minim Dia Brantiano since
Barca and the many sure se Barca best manaba back. Se Barca best for any other player on loan be Joao Cancelo. But Felix for now there because many janani Ansu Fati pre-season so far. Intina ama Fati eko pre-season tour no be US no.
Ansu Fati there na osan hia chance ni biem Barcelona because over a young guy Messi acquire about 10 years say budget 10 years they tells us the kind of belief and Barca for one mu ebia inducing but for him to stay or Barca so be to so na sana den there but Joao Felix nko na mid he's someone me would say he's that kind of person who know say oye no because say transfer ni bia buy we who say ni din wom and other teams are from Benfica to Atletico Madrid the board loan or Chelsea a ball loan or Barcelona but still ye didn't come out transfer any money din that's wom Atletico for only here players to make sure so more and say timo but nipa na ye nipa among for who say that good but ye person e no kwan wa failure among for mo gene talent ni di yana
as I said beginning no be a blame coach no Simeone ne bia ne ball no nsiuti akwada no but oba Chelsea oba Barcelona obi anso ho
Barca de no kra na ma asem na say no because said we play na wan kasa beti ma kire wo do so be so si aka ma club say Barcelona no akọ no any opportunity and that output of my 10 goals and 6 assists in 44 appearances. It's not the kind of performance I will say we pay a permanent deal of Barcelona. There be asem na bantia. So So Joao Felix, I think so. No one needs to sit down again and on checking the attitude. And then Nioma be on why he had Nabonachi. Because breaking from Benfica and Ebano. Many thought that he's someone he will give us that vibe. Say, you Ronaldo, much media free. You get Joao Felix, Mubia. They will come in and make sure so more performance not from a Portugal national team but he's been failing Obia or J Joao Felix and sweet media, and I think that he needs to sit down and make sure that or Sanioma. Yes, I will be a normal colonel guys no more bano. I idea will be to me about a day what me the man. Enrique Eba Real Madrid. He needs to come and learn the right way. Vinicius Junior mobile and far asasiano. But she say, I found a man, Ballon d'Or, come over the Vinicius Junior womb. But so person obey yet to say the Vinicius Junior, you know, you more. But you will be a on pen or more on poor man or more Ben Robinho. No moon tunovo. Because you are coming to a dressing room, live for boys and iso, and EJ boys and iso. Some of them are Baba established or more dressing room, what are that? So when it comes to that spotlight, they know how to deal with it. To do hook or ball more and we are saying meeting Yaba into only the right way. And yes, I say meeting Yaba the Aba and Rick say all big Germans or Timothy Academy Real Madrid.
Well, first, me that say, my member apostle.
Asamaba. And the pa kumia. And then Nico Williams. Well, he's a good player.
Sompa
he's not an exceptional player. I think let's put that on record. A good player or promise or good talent. Age on the side is 22 years. So, or to have positive attitude, so, and then he's determined to achieve greater he can. But he's not an exceptional player. He's a good player. Wow. Well, not an exceptional player. He's not. He's a good player. He has good talent. He has great future. But great future depends on the attitude. That's 80% of what you become. So, Zabasa Nyana, yes, but it's not a life and death. I think that's, I'm a made any life and death for Barcelona if they have him. If they have him, fine. If they don't have him, Barca should move on. Of course. I remember when Neymar issue came, Neymar called PSG. I told her, I said, listen, he will not be successful. One, player be all do stage be with choice as to team our call. Whether the coach is the type of coach or better bois, philosophy a team no bobe bois. The expectation and the demand of the team is always high until you are pushed to higher to make sure say what team you attend. Ask team no push you to meet its expectation and target for the season. Also push you to make sure that you are part of that. That's what Neymar did not have. That's why I should have moved to PSG.
Okay. One coach.
So be challenging when the MSN Neymar, Suarez, Messi. Look at their statistics in a season. Obia pushing in Yongo. You want to be better than somebody. That's how it is in sport. Anytime you are not challenged, Obia push you and Cheweba simple. It's one thing about competition. So Nico Bebiodo, you need to go to a team a more proper direction, proper ambition. Teamer, every time they want to go to the Champions League, they want to win something. And yet team, they don't have a defined project. PSG don't have a defined project. They don't know what they are doing. No. Mbuano. I'm not saying this because
Sompa Sports.
No, you can go to any team. Ebetimia Buanama or no Ankasenda Sumabim. And yet team be a young player or a farmer. Because a young player, bet me about sacrifice will be poor. But team Nubenya Butramano is the code, the type that tolerate and keep on working to improve players.
Yes.
So as a player, that's a decision you need to make. Players have made terrible decision and choice because of club no doing, me per club no me dog club no. But whether one casa personally, one casa maybe also could do, it's going to help you to achieve your objective goals as a player in life. So but PSG is not a place that will help him.
That's all the old quiet.
Forget about Luis Enrique. This is a team that they can take a decision anyhow in terms of coach, into the next player to buy. They don't have a proper direction. So, M1, it will not help him. You should take it. It's not about Barca. If you go to a team, a team and you be a ball, now most style of play best to bring the best out of him. Our team knows so they be a non-person GBB. That will help him. Then you push him to perform better, improve. Anything short of that, yeah. Now, also Olympics are how many days?
3 days.
Okay, so this will be your headquarters for Olympics. Now, you remember the details of the Olympics as the days come closer to Paris. Wonderful city, beautiful city. Nema Kama Hopa. Now, 3 days to go. And now I'm centering on American basketball team. So America, Olympica. Their number one best bet is basketball.
Yeah.
Best bet. I mean, America, when you come to Olympics, they are most successful Olympic nation in the world. America call Olympics, they know that our best bet will be in the sprints. I am 100 meters, then I'm 100 meters. But fortunately now, we see them both bet FM, Nancy. And then when Shelley and Fraser Price, first of all, it started with Veronica Campbell-Brown in 2004. Shelley and Fraser Price, Ebefai, then Ellen Thompson. So now, even the sprints in relation to America, Macrano, I think. So, I'm hope pa die. Anka, I don't know, but see, I know so I think. Swimming, they will get gold. They will get more than 20 gold medals. Country about be Australia. They are always the country that will rival them. And now Hungary is coming up against China and Japan. But they normally, you are talking 400-meter individual medley. America will always do freestyle, butterfly. They are very good at that. And breaststroke. Now, America, first it was amateur boxing here at Kofempa. Because all the great boxers, Muhammad Ali, gold medalist, George Foreman, gold medalist, right down to Oscar Lawyer, gold medalist, Evander Holyfield, bronze medalist, Floyd Mayweather, bronze medalist. I can go on and on and on and on. That is America. But then, America are not doing very well in amateur boxing. That is why I'm turning out good amateur boxers to compete at the top level. Until American boxing, I confirm. Gymnastics, they will get gold medals from there.
Simon Biles and I say Biles.
Oh yes, no. I mean the team actually does very well. Even mine say they do very well. At that place, you get America doing well in 200 meters, men and women. It's their strength. This particular team, allows will do well in the 200 meters. The 100, I doubt it. But I'll come to those analysis later. Then, middle distance, 400 meters, you expect them to do well. Both hurdles and then the 400 meter. And then you talk about 4x100 and then 4x4. But the Jamaicans stopped them in 4x100, remember, twice. Because Usain Bolt brought up a generation. You have him, you have Johan Blake, or Michael Frater, or Nickmel Ashman. Then Coley Bailey. So they are the quartet and a generation about Muhammad America for. But their best bet is always one. And Opa, Corey Garage, a Daima, they win it. That is the Olympic basketball. Now, Unim say after USSR trashy US in 1988 Olympic Games US edgy bronze. I'm friend the shameful 88. Because I'm say apart from that, so basketball almost say be omodia. And it's a bit trauma and nimguasie kesie pa. Now don't forget that proud to that not amateurs and about basketball Olympics and professionals. So the decision for them has to come in 1989 when FIBA, International Federation of Basketball, I can say, you are to about 56-13. So see, I know, about professional basketball and you're part of Olympics. That is what redeemed America. Until Kaya, in 1992, that is when they say we have the dream team because they have top basketball players, but because of Chishena FIBA, or FIBA controlling basketball team, Omantimi and Mamu Crawford Amba. So in 1992, the door was open for them. And it's the best basketball Olympic team ever and will ever have NC Biumda. You will never have that squad. Never. I mean, for the rest of our generation, now, this team is too dreaded. You see Michael Jordan. Oh, Jordan. MJ. Magic Johnson. Now, Magic Johnson has then retired in 1991 after the LA Lakers lost to Chicago Bulls, led by Jordan. So, beside Jordan is Scottie Pippen. Scottie Pippen made Jordan.
Wow.
Master passer. Now, at that time, Magic Johnson got tested positive for HIV. And he had to take Jordan to say he should pass. He had a meeting with the coach, then Chuck Daly. Said no. Also on the players, so AC there. But they thought that no, way mobile healing, so they have to then bring him to the team. So they brought him to the team. New York Knicks. Then Chris Smalling, New York Knicks. They also have Dave Robinson from San Antonio Spurs, who is a good bouncer and passer of the ball, great point guard, coming to the team. Charles Barkley, Jordan has had their own issues. He's a top player. John Stockholm is the master defensive player. This is a team. Larry Bird was coming from the Boston Celtics. Unfortunately, James Worth in your injury. Now we are coach behind this team. You go to bed. These are coaches on their own.
Selection,
when we are coaches on their own. Because Obiza Magic Johnson, at the time he was playing the finals in 1991, he's already won 1980, 82, 85, 87, 88, 5 NBA. Great guys. And then that year, they had an average of 44 points per game. Win margin. No, they were too good.
Imagine.
Too good. And then they were able, and unfortunately for Croatia, they met this team. But since that time, Croatia, Yugoslavia separation, they had cracked him. And then they lost. They won beautifully. So now, Ekwabe, then you have the Dream Team 2, 1996. So the Dream Team 2, what they normally do very well is the transition. Until maintaining Scottie Pippen, Karl Malone, Dave Robinson, Charles Barkley, John Stockholm, on maintaining them. So anytime we are not on the Olympics, I'm maintaining some of the guys who are very key. Now new ones are back out. So I know Shaq. And yeah, Shadrach. Shaquille O'Neal. Yeah. The 7'1" center. Solid. Yeah, that's Shaq. Big Shaq. And I'm proud that he played Lakers and won 3 times the Lakers. And Phil Jackson. Yeah. That's why Michael has everybody good morning.
Sompa Sports.
And Shaquille O'Neal, Reggie Miller, and Hakeem Olajuwon were then introduced into the 1960s to augment. And when they came, they saw and conquered smoothly. And once again, now this time they play Yugoslavia and beat them. Now, in 2000, there was so now they have to bring a new team. In 2000, the 2000 team, that's where the lack of Kevin Garnett. Another guy, Kevin Garnett, Ray Allen, Vince Carter, Jason Kidd. Kevin Garnett, so watch this. This Boston Celtic, Kevin Garnett, a top defensive player. On a tuntum. Now, one of the fierce finals I'm sure was 2-8 between LA Lakers and Boston Celtic. Paul Pierce, Ray Allen, who is a 3-point specialist, Rajon Rondo. My goodness.
Sompa Sports.
Brilliant and intelligent. Led the team to beat the LA Lakers. Now, so they came, Vince Carter, Ray Allen, 3 points by Kevin Garnett. They won that's Kevin Garnett. Top defensive player. One defensive player in the NBA. Great guy. 2000. So 1, 2, 3, America had done that. Now, 2004, there was a problem. 2004, BBC NC or American Olympic basketball da. They came to the Olympics, so that was when the emergence of LBJ, LeBron James, was in 2004. The reason why the flag no man here now was because he's the most experienced player when it comes to Olympics in the team.
Steph Curry.
What did I say? That was his entry. Dwayne Wade, D Wade, entry. That 2004. Carmelo Anthony, Tiketo. That was him. You also have Tim Duncan. For me, the greatest power forward we've had. Solid. San Antonio Spurs. Brilliant. You have Tim Duncan also making an entry. Announced in 2004. But America was poor that they lost to Puerto Rico 19 points. And see that. They lost to Lithuania. But the semi-final, the semi-final, they lost to Argentina. And when Argentina team who say San Antonio Spurs and a Pop Gregorovich, who say they had a player called Manu Ginobili. Manu Ginobili, oh my goodness, another top class player. Don't worry, Manu Ginobili, Tony Parker, Tim Duncan. So Manu Ginobili and Luis Scola and Carlos Delfino define the Argentine team, supported by Ignacio Sanchez.
So you drew 204 when you see the Jesus now to us because America for basketball team radio.
And Omuluzi Poto. And Omumuntia. So in 2008, they brought the Redeem team. Yabeje Nimgwasi, Ntisia no Nimgwasi na Bejeno, Yabe redeem your image in 2008. So they maintained 6 of the players time in Thiago Fast on the 2-8. Then they brought Kobe Bryant. That's the introduction of Kobe Bryant. 2000. Say Ombe redeem your way. They maintained LeBron James, Carmelo Anthony Moore, and they brought Kobe Bryant, Chris Bosh, Chris Paul. They brought them to the team to come and make sure say Omar Savage and then Dwight Howard. Spain, Omuni Mankomamba. And Ibra Omudi Gomo so view of and so after 2004, they came out to redeem themselves in 2008 to win the Olympic basketball. And from 2008 till then, nobody has been able to stop them in Olympics. That's what I'm saying. The Olympics, that their best bet is always this. And then I'm moving the agrono. It's the basketball. And this year, somebody Munji, tomorrow will continue.
Okay. But I say from 2008 or Chinebe to Asudia free. Or yes, I have been come about real quick. OP wallpapers no control their wallpaper beer and then the blankets and send them. And so window a 2-in-1, a 3-in-1 wallpapers and as a blankets and colors designs and so account OP statement control zebra. What about best side lamps, TV backlight, self-ring light, and they kind of plastic wardrobes, center carpet, air diffusers, our flowers, and wall clocks, and our water fountain. What the best spread about Timo a year, say a hotel, a year guest house, and what day a best spread in the Aberno Super Bia, Obeko OP or no GB, and so a day Ujuma, Chronom barrier on a market, no, a D and Mishana Doom Pizet. Nana Kwasi Ajman building Nemo 0540 353750. Fibo Ventures, I say ni toothbrushes no e bi ewo pose go into more supermarket, more mini mart, more tonioma, I kan kroma so provision shop ni na no. Mun kwaji bi ento Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Evidence, Executive, what the friendly and a Galaxy number, and a feme cast ni toothpaste no, a Afri Fresh, herbal toothpaste, a more num, a sham, a bow gum, and wobay. Na ma texture ma so atosuri dia. Obete aduane denti fabi choose yanopa fabi choose you manage I say u blow a man no chese yi fuse no basa na ha twen pa mpaso de men konkugu woni ma say 0535 452263 na chese Fibo Ventures and so enjo so me any police near draw and so enim koma me am yon ko asesa famana wo yi miama enya we amof se bibia fine
yo Bibia boko.
About to scan by now, man. Why you know one thing?
Sompa Sports.
About to one year ska wawali nyina kan. Now ring in away. Hey, yo. 1 month to pay you ring.
No had you.
Say me ba ma prepare na me ba. Say
Enuni.
I know a year.
I know so.
Maybe they says yes. And me you grab me background music.
Oh, I mean also.
Some tie me banana music in JS a han
security you ring him first.
Debi ba we staff for the ultimate the banam busa ne anti me anti na me ba be busa say oh the
I don't kind of
oh yeah
security manager ring say you ring him front top
oh okay o che say un say meda bibi kwa betimi akwa na bi akotoko nso na debi ba oh the on say staff dia church
ba bi ati konso be o
say betimi make us betimi yeah imboost heba mixture
don't come here
oh of course sure yaba sompa na yaba ndie ne yaba
maba mo transfer
so dinti amaba kra yes ehun se me se abie pharmacy
yeah
now ya doctor sako fenduro ni bebre orthodox medicine
me say hosun do
of course
o say hosun do
no cover 4,000 yes say he mean business tane kan bro for apostle bonze bro for the house buza apostle because so ni ona ni esia no bro for no ono kotoko no kan kotoko koroko no akanza edia the make nyane say e say ni stress say mo amoye pharmacy say wholesalers no unze baby wa unya hodene nkoto ni bebre ndo be ko baby abo no ye dey e wo soro go no no open fa so nti no wa ye dey wakwa but doctor ni business awo ye no o hwe say asa obia benya bi asa impact no be do say oh meji medru kro imbus adronti unze ye dru obi je ogene bi 100 cartons obi gini 200 obi gini 300 because wa mabo na ye dey ai moderator obi atimi ye dey etobi nti we ni dey say nyanse say bi a wo dey wo no pese wo be krum be fa adru en ha ho kra say wo ba
mame so en mu fanche ayi no
na the camera ni bi hwe me wa
me dey chama no so
be camera ni bi ni nya na me da so camera adro ni nie I was on bed.
I'm Tiano na me no mama for we say
me see am be 5 years. Me man do man no da. Ba quick number there.
Oh na dig it.
Ah yeah.
Oh na so.
Ada na so.
Entro dia o.
Yeah, some me count say no cre.
Ana me say fuma na me Tiano mbo no
say. We me the Michael.
Wa majuma.
Fuma me the be kwa to via ma.
Oh okay, Mati.
Oh me the be kwa ko man tinam the brain. No apostle on Pedro. Open dig it. Nti yaw dia tenya ne say so unya dro we say na no ma eboa oni padua yi ba
ebo adwuma pa
of course imbusa ba mesha na dia media me say hiam ye say wo de bia wo hwe nsisi a ba bia hwe firi bia de hiam say number me do betu joy wo be free so free number we na ono mu imbus pharmacy phone be din komo say o me wo kire pone me wo oti region me wo greater Accra me wo ha me wo sehwi ba bia wo bia audience wo be free number na wo de wo de like o list number wo mo a draw list na wo bo no
package bibia
yes no ma package bibia ba wo send this kind ma wo mo unzi e company or television so enti me for sika
enti memo obi tie number na ye de ma wo no
enkofro obi fufu
emu obi mekanchao ayesa waboka number na ye bo no so one friend one so ko send this kind obi a openi kroma e say hi she o
jai e say wo twi free bank kroma to account no nye easy o ya o
fa wie mu a hey so ba otwen ba
ko still ade ne nyamai na ya 0533 92 91 77 0539 ya but one more confused wa no 0533 92 91 77 Imbus pharmacy number no
sense subi Mr.
Sense subi okay 0533 92 91 77 we know oye pharmacy oye drugstore and no pay me say edidam drugstores ne pharmacy awodo no Sompa edidam say ya nti the answer the wa number no afre Imbus pharmacy me hwe mo Sompa sisi a me pedro we me ebi kura na wa pedro bi obi abebu sa wadro bi kura wonya anye dai e ma no wo the phone number ne say o me pedro we say mu obi wo Uben say ampa na drone ni ene ye ya wamabo omo de wade aye dey ama
so oye mumu no kra na eye din company din na beba
company din kra na beba ha nti wo koye mumu na say bia ya odin ba me so
masa men send o send ba waboka
o send ba waboka ha obetwa nanum me so
nga say ma send am forward ma move me forward
em forward ma me wo forward ba enko ha nti dia tie nyina ne say me so but more than say a draw the obeton no Imbus pharmacy na boa ye pa ya kakra bi on Imbus heba mixture police in the draw we say the one monum ni di adanse
ya draw no he bi di adanse ka ni ofida da ba de ba ya
of course adanse in the lectures outdoor I mean painful be bre titru ya me mo draw no so monum draw we ya kwala na bandi sika wo benum aduro na ho aye den na sori anopo abetan okonso achi amanfo ti onipa 5000 nipa 20000 baby etio no na nka ho aye den no pa bia ba pa kwala you see there be on the opesika me so wo de ne se wo benum aduro wate numaduro na ho nto numaduro ne nya ho den na sori ko onwuma so ma me dwomo na ate no se de bia otimi ko na ko fasika ba fie papa ne wo na kwala ne dan wo se wa nkope asamasi kwabenane wa meti ya wo ko unza wo ba de be ma ya de ne mo so nya ho ye den na wutimi ye de ekoba driver ni utaseche transe o za usisi no benze na ya wo ya be ga graphic gro wutimi nkotwika ni bi me so hye no so se obepa aduro we si yanom aduro ye nka ho asem bebro wo mo ma num aduro we se die
aduro we bedru bebe no amofuni ebedu bebe wo se de I teacher for Ken ni bi
of course
we Ken yo kase kakra ho na de a shekerosimo a
yes
ni akọ VIP bar station ho driver ni bi a want to be o se ye show
of course
because untimi ntena se nko masa akwa wa bra o yire na akwa safa
yes
because sisi no goa e mo ba na ni nyi wa waje bra into o crown so oh yes I know dey also also timi pa so na me mbo ni se ni tini mienu
se won nwe hwe ya nyu
bi a dey sisi ye
go first in there awurade bi kwama me obekwa kodum num ni sisi a bra wo boy e ya hwe ni obekwa kodum nyom no go ya nyo wo de ne mfa ba e dey ya nyu
dey tie lumba pony pass na akwa ko boy
eti adroni se na tie fonza ka pa de num ye de e
hye so no
e ye mienu anopa mienu awia
ma me mbo mienu ne chiro sisi e
ai ena de wo boy adroni ene ateka ya ateka
we need demonstration boy
David
I have buza apostle on that
buza apostle
but police near drew there
of course
all jokes aside there we say
nennom no nyanyu
I so awoso no
yes yeah
awoso na answer
in fact colleague mpenfo awo draw na jedru bi de enom we say aye no such a way say onyare kra ansan no aye mo number 1 star na enum odro no we nye easy kra yes we 500 million pounds no edro ya one me was here the mount
okay
was here the mount was here the mount ni twa contract ni e do better view pa bro ya one no ntino ya be starting the billboard video advert
na from adaka mame do say tonton adaka tonton ne du be na doctor ka say fa boxes be 10 be je do ba ho a o fa do
so them and ya police near do number no pe do na tu a numbers ni go screen so ba uti radio na 0246 208 496 0246 208 496 and your numbers no dey yare bia ha oni padua bia aya how dey friend ni ho nkomo sisi ameka the doctor no be din nkomo yare bia chenchen wo ye be ma wo ye mre wo mpa mu kotodwe wo sisi na ye wo ya o dey friend number ni sisi asa mehwe mo
do so awona mo sisi ahwenye o
dabi
ba wonu bi sisi e be kwa asa na fe eyi malaria bi engine
say ya yare sie ni padua on we sie ni padua
na ba but
anyare no wo ko no
hwe wo yare wo inside
tina de bia mitufo say ya no dro me bra odro so awonom oh me bra pe no akoton na de aye de ato
good very much you
David ya sana
is you yes ka kan
o mo ni me no de me ka
is you yes ka
mi o mo ni me de me ka pe wo no kra na
radio me nyine yes ka
amen ya ye radio aye no
wo say jmi biem
ya TVDC wow
mate
na to aso na da when I go retirement as all share juma na ze ache
ma me mbobo ni pa bi ni retirement be why over share kana asa na okay
I was so
amofu kwa chia doc Try me real quick. Yes, now cloud internet. Where a police near draw and you any imboost about Mesha. The imboost pharmacy and so about number no. Also friend or Joe Dena Fedrodobia or sa and Kaya could break abanum open internet. Banks and schools and it's just a company samunya internet in Nano. A cloud internet and so and also share one more extra coin. Our top part internet come Wi-Fi a hotspot account I just drew a top higher over 0202699110 top high a cloud internet almost say young country as a digital security locks no and a jack and the best so and so a jamau you could break about real quick your banner your barber to us your buy room elfie young for commercials embra.
One me tell say wo ba no say wo Canada.
Oh, wo ko school.
Na yesi ajape aba no nso okọ na nso no de okoye adwuma.
Me say amanfo akọ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no hwa na de won kọ saa no.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Bese otukwa akwa ama no ne de. Wo de obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Let's say a visit and now turn so we call Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa what they obeko. Say ya juma so what they obeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRE, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. As a full labor runabout wa and crying. Kanachi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, our High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices. Our my baby so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say mani peduan kwamwa no enya hoden na akwatia yare en twen yare ansan no akwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akra nufo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. Who benya bi over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no. Why you toothbrush no? Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Ninya Ashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Who that the evidence bang? I don't Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya moku hu. Ashford Princess. And now bra could you dear so Ashford Galaxy. What dear na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now my media no so Ashford Friendly.
That Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bow dodomi ye dani bia akwashishaho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. To phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll buy you.
Brother, and not so good.
Not tell me about Michelle and see about Queen Wayne and say,
Brass, at your time about Mister, it's your Jimmy fearful, and not your back ever so.
Really, no, this offending now.
Brass, and because me the time about Mister Huadancia, we are singing now about Timinka, 87 malaria, where drawn the time about Mister.
I never go, dear, no more to I want to meet any deal. Where drawn the time about Mister, a drink, and your ma or bar waffle through.
Je wa ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto town heba me se aduro ibi no hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo achidi malaria ibi ansa
ayo se time me TIME time heba mesha afi malaria fever bi adani ziva ewo mu no ebetua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi atom
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hienye pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se kwawunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de ya brakasa powder brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya brakasa powder to Kingswalk Heba ne Heroes Heba Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Heba Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Heba ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Heba Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 brakasa powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
sa wope wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount sa wope wallpapers decorative offices sa ufie sorry say paps ahodo baby bia wo hia wallpaper de do djuma bia no OP wallpapers efro yama wallpapers be match blind curtains no bedside lamps nso a OP MR types or match shapes colors ahodo nyina ubenya bia to na so ye ho se open LED backlight e dey above flash screen echi a eno so OP ebe mo bi se open self ring light out of phone be shem e OP wallpapers and ebe mo self ring light OP e wo Kumasi Adum first floor Nana Kwesi Ajman building na mu Tafo GNTC building first floor ana Chronom or barrier on the market na edian mhwe se open wholesale and answer retail any OP any nsa wo so free OP our 0540353750
Mama kwa baba Gentleman Dental Clinic yedwumadi a yedi ane se yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa ntuma pa efi wo fix one no anase a yetafre no permanent one no eno nso so yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession no mu na ye finish scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi okasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebamu na no oba Gentleman Dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkan so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down do mekwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ye ne OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so ho anase opposite AY Ahmed na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no wo free Total Filling Station na yabron san na edi ho ye adwuma free eda juada kopem eda memeda witini afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
Man you, why? Man you. This passport now, passport. Oh! They make noise too much. Hey! See my game. Now man you hold on. Guy, how much you play? 100 naira to win 7 million. Now Manchester United ain't hold on. That guy no go play anything. He go play. Calm down. Calm down. It is in a play. 90 minutes.
Nice ball in that.
I don't tell you. See, you go carry the game, go that shop, the place where I play him. Make them cash out. I'll send him my account number, send them to me.
Kufulu Guna.
No, give you the rush Guna, fast. I they come back. I don't win 7 million, they run.
Looks like you've made money recently.
You dey play?
I'm still shocked. It's the very first time you're flexing me. Ever since you've been saying you're expecting something huge.
Now him be this we don't enter now. See you. Waiting Manchester United not to do. Another person not to do.
Serious?
Yes. See you now.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry for the delay.
If they put on there, now you they pay. Not be me they pay. Put on for yeah.
You doing right?
Allow me dash 500k yeah. You know what you.
Hope you're enjoying yourself.
You want to use me to catch cruise?
If you never chop reach 1 million, no stop. Oh, they bring go. Hey! You go chop 1 million for here today. Jesus.
Aha. Hello, sir. Hello, madam. Hope you're enjoying yourself.
Well.
Okay, your bill is here.
Okay.
Plus the stuff she ordered.
Wow.
400,000 naira. So everything making it 720,000 naira.
You have your account number here?
Yeah, I can call it out.
Okay, just wait.
Sabinus.
A minute.
Hello, Sabinus.
How far now?
Omo, no verse. I forget to call you. I beg. Just go quiet place. I beg, ma talk to you.
You say?
Just go where they quiet.
Do you have a restroom here?
Yeah.
I need to rest time. Are they really quiet now? How far?
No verse. So as you come one time, man, you be score. Good. But you know waste time. Pama call equalize. Oh.
What?
You say?
Pama call equalize. Come score again. Chelsea come win 4-3.
Father Lord.
And the game cut.
Hey! Sir, the things you ordered, you've not paid me.
You know my wife?
Yeah, I do.
Not be better person.
At all.
Manchester no be club. Oh.
If I hate that club, Manchester United, they can give me heart attack.
Now you don't tell me. You don't tell me how do I know?
I'm just meeting you for the first time now.
This kind of thing are going to send information. Avoid Man U. Avoid Man U. Avoid Man U. We're going to know.
Oh yeah, sorry, eh?
Thank you.
Back to the payment. You've not paid me.
You don't tell me sorry. See, they go back to the payment. Leave the payment.
Waiter, get me goat head, 2 portions.
Women.
Crocodile tail, 2 portions.
Hey! What type of plane is this?
And then a female antelope.
What?
3 portions.
See the order.
Yes.
I talk and say women and Manchester United. They work together. I talk and what is she want use antelope?
Sir, you know antelope makes women very fresh.
You don't want?
What is she wants crocodile do?
You would love it if you taste it.
Are you mad?
But sir, you're not saying anything about the payment, please.
Good afternoon. How's the family?
Sir, pay me now. Leave family, pay me. If you pay me, my family will eat well. Pay me my money.
Man U, why? Man U. This passport. Oh! They make noise too much. Hey! See my game. Now Man U hold am.
Guy, how much you play?
100 naira to win 7 million. Now Manchester United ain't hold am.
That guy no go play anything.
He go play. Calm down. It is in a play. 90 minutes.
Nice ball in back.
I don't tell you. See, you go carry the game, go that shop, the place where I play am. Make them cash out. I'll send him my account number, send them to me.
Kufulu Guna.
No, give you the rush Guna fast. I they come back. I come back.
I don't win 7 million. They run. No.
Looks like you've made money recently.
You they play?
I'm still shocked. It's the very first time you're flexing me. Ever since you've been saying you're expecting something huge.
Now him be this we don't enter now. See you. Waiting Manchester United not to do. Another person not to do.
Serious?
Yes. See you now.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry for the delay.
If they put on there, now you they pay. Not be me they pay. Put on for yeah.
You don't want?
Allow me dash 500k yeah. You know what you.
Hope you're enjoying yourself.
You want to use me to catch cruise?
If you never chop reach 1 million, no stop. Oh, they bring go. Hey! You go chop 1 million for here today. Jesus.
Aha. Hello, sir. Hello, madam. Hope you're enjoying yourself.
Well.
Okay, your bill is here.
Okay.
Plus the stuff she ordered.
Wow.
400,000 naira.
So everything making is 720,000 naira.
You have your account number here?
Yeah, I can call it out.
Okay, just wait.
Sabinus.
A minute.
Hello, Sabinus.
How far now?
No verse. I forget to call you. I beg. Just go quiet place. I beg. I talk to you.
You say?
Just go where they quiet.
Do you have a restroom here?
Yeah.
I need to rest time. I think we are quiet now. How far?
Achom say mo amu ma tade pam no so your ba na say oye bema ofa adwumafo nti na me no ka say bomoni anso ba hwe bafo polo echa kwan na onfo adwuma na what the Buffalo Classics enso aba makacho say Buffalo Classics no ya lapel the tops and the down no e be a trousers and e be so a shorts ni nyina no e fole and Buffalo Classics and a kaftan o pamama no so no enso efepa wanya e be a design bi na obese Buffalo polo jiwa ni nyina no obetimi e de akwakwache no na wapam bi enso ama okama na mo meba no say Buffalo polo na kasa nso a me kanfo ne ntade ne bi ama madie wom ana afa mema de nso e kan na de ten say African print or the pam t-shirt or round neck and for v-neck your platinum package a 20 shirt and for 15 shirt no a diamond package and a gold and so containing 10 shirt and for silver 5 shirt 1 equity 4 and no a bronze package Buffalo polo a year ahinema kokoben of Santase or Boise kwane so 0249 600789 na Buffalo polo and so enjoy so na edu heba clinic come on dear drive fan say SM Bitters aba SM Bitters makacho say aye dro tatashe oye bema edu akaginamo osisi ene ye wo ya oye adwuma wote bre e woni padwan mu a chesa brebia no wokoto a waka ho so original so wontimi enkoto onye wadwuma sede e wase wosi ye wadwuma wadro no aye SM Bitters mema ne nyina mu ntungu so wei aye dro ba ko no ene bedi wakaginamo amanioma so aye fine ediama eno ana beboa amache so dwumadi a wodi ne nyina no enso awie pay SM Bitters ebeboa ma jabia wote waposo aboso ne nyina no akona fa sama libido enso apagya kama 0243 989368 na tudo bia opebiano wonsa enso atimi aka wode no wobeso tukwa kwama no ne a woni express group enso enkasa school for no momo per scholarship afei we nurse ni we midwife obeso to aso enso ewa ma no ne a baby erese UK US of Australia and I say Canada New Zealand afei obeso rem enso ewa Germany ahoni nyina no express group enso ebeboa wo mo no tenase amon kire nyamani so just a requirement abehia wo SAT and GR ni nyina no ya beje visa amount ticketing mo so abeso call holidays and the aka ni nyina no and some express group and so adaroma wo mo asafo labor runabout and cry Kaneshi first light unsa and so ebeka wonom 0249 000448 na just express group and penfono and so enjoy sway now Kulun Ghana Limited omadrono aye Chinese herbs way aye China for hama womunu banana chase nnuane hini ana China for and so ade ayo munu no bag Ghana just achapa enti oba bia wonom araba bazen tablet da ebeka tro sam panioma sesa na ma no esanse ne otede ama omojet media fusande kama oyo ba anya fei ana jish and wish ana tobo and a ma bre bia ni ma se baza ukunu tisi abontian kwa we no sanse ye nim ma bre ne agi bia wom enti ye ho ye na manuoma so nye kama mfama enom aye drive fan se araba bazen tablet Mr. Q aye dro tatashe eno sexually wayemre wo low libido wo slow erection ani nyina no enso aye Mr. Q ena beboa ana drive fan se hyunchu capsules eno de ojonso a oteyaw ojonso unya pains ewom ojonso basa rough yani na jonso sand wa wadro no hyunchu capsules obekọ pharmaceutical shop and I say herbal shop BMO 0244 275429 na just on your penino and so enkasa enano pe Institute of a year expert travel and tour or same amo pejumefo na yabejo work visa mau, business visa, student visa, and a simple a ban say be a permanent resident visa na opa one Institute of Expert Travel and Tour and Penifono and so enkasa so ye midwife we nurse ni we pharmacist and so ye lab technician and juma bia ye bia no penifo say yen kan chos abroche ko aye simple Obama so ye e so fly so just one second gate one map na o no and so edi and mhwe from 0539858766 number no and Joe so Okrachi Trends say Branon Pam Kaftan and Mama Kacho say or your promo into promo ni nyina ne say what talk Kaftan mako 5 obama 1 for free onyan babia and your Okrachi Trends and so na bow political suit 3 pieces and afa casual wears ni nyina no Okrachi Trends as a hwehwe no e was suya boa junction or ayesnit flats o machi one ma pay 0244 074367 and afa time about center wo ma drive fan say time about me channel wo ba wo frefo enyema wo foforo nso a eni kwan so no bi ana wa bofra ni mfie no emro 12 years ontimi no bi mane ye eye draw etu malaria fever say general bodily pains ebeko loss of appetite said duane nya ode na udidi a wontene de no ntia ma wo mpa duane nim enso ahwa wodro no enso aye time heba misha make I say time hh heba misha ne capsule sebesiesi oba ebesiesi bema bon wadu huni na frenyoman so aye fine e dia ma 0244 417669 na chese on the time about Misha and Penfono and Enkasa na Qualitac Dental Clinic as a bray na yamu ama wani munyam MPS and so buon krana we school ni group studies untimi nkobes and say ubi wonu ma kasa krana hadwen and it's a root canal plan and as empo ban say bia what you over so your root canal treatment ban say denture therapy and as empo dentures open complete one the other shaft for bamau I dental implant and I say cosmetic dentistry and I saw ya osino over so trying to scan and I say x-ray ebia cleaning and polishing I saw ya we are your Qualitac Dental Clinic sound semino or the bako one ampen phone so ahwe fi omonso aboa kama patase we are your catchery ama building amuna chesonsa and some abekom omo ben Vegas for 0538250078 now on Penfono and so enkasei now Boris B shaken we know aye chesa kokona ma wota unya problem bia and so awe cha kokona mni Boris B shaken to be aye halal o de yes stew o de yen kwan a chesa open tie open rings afi akokona party bia wo pe bia no Boris B say yen kan trust bra na bejo de and so awe Bantama High Street one Presbya sorry edianum share aswase market and afi poku trading awe dume also sabe can be 0544444453 now Boris B shaking and so enjoy so yes Luther bibia I find it
oh fancy nyame adom na also
nyame adom kakra
yan kanshim na yan kwe ni mbisenche na Olympic Games no e ba be sha se Friday na e sha se na team Ghana nyame adom ya touch it down
yes.
Now hwe Ghana eba game village wa ba bia Ghana ye kwa ko prezina e ho de pa Ghana the team Ghana na touch it down ye ko no hwe ya ho fama ene ye dress ni bibia no aso nyame adom obia the smartphone Samsung latest edition of Modiaba no obiansa kane de ama bia kamanti team Ghana and akono eno achino so yenwram wo the Black Princesses almost 31st of August na urama we ye Ghana team Ghana 4x100 team no omdo no mo prepare no omo prepare on say baton no conference on be senji le be come out team Ghana masa Ghana for gold well Paris 2024 no na uram ewo Black Princesses as you Colombia a man under 20 World Cup be chance 31st of August no nyame Ghana ye ball ye game on the 2nd September against Austria na no Cape Coast coach Evan Yusuf Bazigi on the head coach and the Black Princesses one in Central for share the coachito walk up on the Princesses we are more qualified more group stages na more film na film target no anything
Our intention is not to go and start slowly. Our intention is to move at our own pace to ensure that we are able to advance the next stage. If you don't advance the next stage, you don't think about the subsequent ones. So definitely, our target for now is to advance to the next stage.
Was say the Black Princesses target and say group stages now bet me advance next qualify their film. Then what kwachi to mapa on sika some bonuses no ebia kamo qualification bonuses no abani nyentwe na eno no adwene and so yente Yusuf Bazigi.
No dear. Me feel say normal abani na share dear say o maboy de betua Japan sana ija hodema management na omtuma na home because ye say ejuma no ye ko na pay for so ahwechira maye na ministry so de omni enwa ho because they have so much concern for us you know say almost my ni aji.
And you see Bazigi no say I almost said here so mo be bono ma qualify na aban no so said here eso betua e dia mo na aban de oka eye dan a betua e de ama wo mo na mafia nyame eso akasa e de afa princesses omo ho boabo omo je any targeter esi omo ni so for World Cup be to Colombia.
Always an honor to be called to the national team, and I'm always prepared. Anytime I'm called to the national team, I'm always at duty to perform. Preparation has been awesome. The coaches have taken us to what they have to.
What's the target of the team?
To qualify through the group stage in the World Cup.
Say omubetimi qualify every a group stage num na omakọ manim na no chiri eguram eso ewo crop bia kumasa Asante Kotoko omo aso ye ne anya adwuma kakra emfama mo Asante Kotoko beto dwa eso mo European tour bi omo bekọ enu achikura no Switzerland dia bi baya de ya tin say we from shopim so ese Kotoko team no ebekọ pre-season was South Africa on the 15th of August and a Kotoko team no ebekọ akopemo Johannesburg na so omakọ pre-season na bibia eso etim ayekama team be resume on the 27-28 na coach and Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum had working coach no coach Musemanshia no o me no kasa so kwa surgery no nyame adom ne ho ato no Cape Coast original home nyampa team resume a coach and Ogum beba no ni team no abesha se new players no ebi kran sha se ni coach no enya adwuma nto omo ba o be hyehyɛ bi se Sompa onel mo ne na asefo nyina no no ma be koye ade ama wo mo na enu achi no Kotoko omo resume a on be camp kakra e o Cape Coast be 1 or 2 weeks bi ansa no on the 15th omo buo marketem akopiem e Johannesburg South Africa no the pre-season no akwa so na Kotoko fan bi o jada Kotoko too much of free hohoi na o person ka pre-season no Kotoko ben hohoi onu asifia enye fikuma efie mu fie na nkodi ni fie no Kotoko players no edam omaduane ombi bia no fa ho ka nanso Kotoko company for eko survey around no se pitches awa running na AstroTurf on se Kotoko so league na natural grass and ye yusu enti no mantima akopiem ahohoi eno edie fro eba na Kotoko team no aya akono ayefe crop ye nie emu ode ni nyina se opem so se obi ama onu adi ne bottom sika onu ankasa ene etwa players no oto de ba omudi ne dimpa ya no opia no makotua amatim na ya kono de metene se adako dachi project no owura mo mansha na nsen a onso masi new edifice bi ho ne se conferences na asefo nyina akoso contractor na opem so man be see en ono ne se adako dachi omde project no contract omde ama no me no kaso opem so UK onye bedura ombekọ site wo no mo akokate sword na so mdi dwumadi na asha se dem tisa santima ntamu a Kotoko support cement de omo pim so kra nto ba akokra nkrofe ready ombe donate ede aboa na adako jache project no etime ayakrabehwe na nyampa Saturday anwumre players me from Guinea at touchdown mame bako Morin Fink Donsu akwawe on the omawie twabama na gina hosa no enya samba gina chire ono team na mu akono se krobia na ono de omna wi oba na goalkeeper Kamara eso ebeba na Kamara de ogum so ba assess ne kakra ansana ombem na san a omam na san na bibia so aye fine eno e de ba na enu ochi no week we bibia de dem a Patrick Asiedu left back ma brekum Chelsea kotoko personal terms omna wi bibia obeni medical wi e wo sign owia na right back Lord Amwa brekum Chelsea ba Uram Olympics almost abenta ba ko friend Albert Amwa ena bofa kwa Saka Dauda omunyina no ba aberam e kotoko ene ekwenani emos frimpon di nkomo ene se owura kotoko de ye bomos frimpa kotoko ne so bi ya trim na kotoko so far signings omu eje ya we okay with the signings kotoko eye
well so far me there was so okay compared to last is the call for unknown players and I say players from the lower division. This is no okay clearly a sign that no area which means a go in for a established players and other players are omukuta the experience in the Ghana Premier League as well as players are omu in it or even edition against us for last week now over a Sompa mo any mo any other place and will be remuna it is clearly saying this season and very better compared to last season.
This season no better as compared to last season most from Pono no. You busa say na last season onya daji monitor league no. Players buy enanka obe she say kwatokotimi sign wo mo a anko no ebe ne depa.
Well so far me there was so okay compared to last season the call just end the season mean a lot of opportunities actually games in the green and then I say they may scouts na makotoka replace and an company and I say dia and obit mababa chance replace Baku and actually call Rwanda when it's Melambe on and Baku's already Kotoko and from what I'm hearing you know another one player and so I captain of Bokwa Onoso Matisse Onoso Bakotokwa which Magasa said they were the three players Nanka Minyomo Kotokwa na many beji but
and no ye Oria Fred Emos Frimpon obvious what to say crop biabeko preseason it was South Africa na ebasa what team no ahead of the season na ebe chassis.
Well, I say official decision in 24. I take it there. Meet like I say going to South Africa. Everybody be brave. It was mostly players a movie out from their comfort zone. Now so much baby a preseason coming back. I had a different morale and I had no motiva and I had a different attitude and I say a different feeling. And normally be free that preseason at the Ababak.
And no, yeah, Emos Frimpon no. Na yengwamo Adriana FC na yemfantu name as a former Tamayut midfielder Seidu Sana also no was joining Adriana FC on a permanent deal. That's 3 years and was signed Adriana Bobo Ekono or call gas and or call Adujem Fijamase and Romo Tamayuta and Romo Adriana or Bojuma Ediamo Nations FC announced Ivorian forward. Your friend B. Boris Jangoni. Also, Waba over Bojuma at the Nations FC. Now, summer test. First, the announcement Tabasi players, any technical team, Aka Bomatima elected Ebenezer Aqua. said when a deputy captain Edema Samates Ombo Ebokona Emmanuel Adusiao so and a substantive air captain Edma Samates and what you goalkeeper now or Damdman Nations are your friend Jafet Noviano Onosono Womo assigning or about 3 years at the Ama Womo Ocha last season and I see the terminal almost there's 14 games and what that Edma Nations Service Bobo Kono and what Chomsu Ramo United another goalkeeper Musa Zakari or Dudwana friend Bendida Onosono Samates for so maybe a 3-year deal also Division 1 season a trauma 23 games 13 clean sheets and Okipuye and your Ramniane or Paul Ayamba says oh most in some place on in St. Jacob no Yatise and shots on the 4th of August now so far 3 teams by and April Rum and Samates abe compete.
Oh, I feel FC Samates. You can't say, you should remind. You should remind about last season. Now, this is almost over because, who say, almost for Africa. And the challenge is that you say most teams have not begun pre-season. In Jamaica, for Africa, any time now, pre-season, matches, no. Ama high-profile games one year. And it is only fair that we invite them so that they use that to also shape their team ahead of the African campaign. So that's part.
And no, I am Sema Paul Ayamba Ete Emaye na Urama 17-year-old striker Abdul Hussein Bashiru so adjoining in Swatrama Bobo Kono Abdul Hussein Bashiru and also I done a 3-year deal from Basake Holy Stars now last season or share 10 goals 8 assists or Division 1 and Urama Jonga Apostle so mu coach your friend coach Adams or do qualify PM ewo Premier League no ono so no dey say omna kwantapa omo edanase Owramo Park Academy na bia so ayekamanti fancy Kofi Agbesima so say ono no house no nyese omo anye bibi boni ho nemum nani na enje el house enu ntina ofri heart of football boku no Kofi Agbesima
wo Mate Luther that say Ghana gross youth mo number ni 0308 255775 Emma and remember between the ages of 15 equally 35 years mona was some of agriculture agribusiness technical and vocational skills no mo ana ye pemona monya juma ye serebe ya monso monsa be koma no na nkwanko ba se ana de bia na agizo mokoba no maba be tu fie e ba se ha dwen na meza se wo ho ye de
nyame adom fancy
Mrs. Esther Frimpong Marcos nso ye na beba so Marcos ye ne nyame ya doma oh yes hadwen pa nyame ya doma 27th of this month
yes
27th
Saturday di enumia yes Bremen West just behind Revival International School no hona bibia because uku pimu Ashton or the anese force for no omo yema ba kono no tienye
nyame fa na currency
I say na there be better nyame aso so oni ma me ni be hia o ba bi no mu hia na o didi
we say celebration of 72 years
yes
and bad okay but it's Saturday
yes
okay yes Mate and Reverend Evangelist Law Kenya so papa aye Nana Akpo Kenya nyame ya adoma apostle website never apostle ni papa Lord Kenya nyame ya adoma 10th August our Heroes Park ana ye ne beba so nti eguso bomunkai nyame ya adoma yenko jalod na bibia enye fine we apostle na ngase na sanche enye sa bibia number no
the Kenya
nyame ya ebi wo yeso so mukakra
Akomia
kodokonu why de na ever say obi le kara say abrofo masa we dey nya abrofo masa we foreigners kwa obani bugum but I think the team should be really much prepared coming into the season. Last season omo said they nya proper pre-season coming into the season omunya quite a slow start. Now the plans in Bibia Yura or Pimso Timura or the Aguaquem Diama club and they say go through before the season starts. The kind of signings the team wants to do. Me pese omoto to omonoma ye na adaptation ye quick. Because this season is not going to be an excuse season for Kotoko supporters.
There be na say be akwa pre-season emma. Wa brought so hankasa making sure some of the last season.
Where I say some of the German clubs are even in South Africa doing pre-season.
Now be South Africa, ya more World Cup. Yes, na kemeza. Ya World Cup that was even there 14 years ago.
What you must say? And these are the opportunities you take. I expected Kodoko and other clubs to take advantage of because now South Africa is visa free for some time. Okoto 1, 2, 3. I think you have to apply again, and it'll be taking some time. So looking at the country, the facilities they have, and your mom, the opportunities they have, even target market, a whole target market for even some of your key players because this they have teams who pay so well, and they have teams who can buy your players and give you huge amount of money. Aside that, almost our talent pool, they have good academies, they have good teams where you can also pick players and bring them in. Pick them on loan, no the never be the market cost or future sellable clauses to me the and yes can it be these things it is a market opportunity where the club will need to capture it at its utmost best. Meno sisi a baby agent I know say it is pim source right on the board and your motion obession had the aba and ya hand baby in your masu bebre. There are some things you need to keep quiet about it and watch. Yes, say penny due
Matemanti.
Asem no. This is the time they will need their supporters to be behind them. And some of the signings they are making to make sure say at the end of the day no one sabi to make resources almost.
So you player na team in foul bar. Ni amo baby ada. Baby amo baby money mo.
Needs to change.
Open so ama mo fie. Just say baby kakraka. Mo share mo matches videos. Mo ti me ye nyoma bi kro just say now co pre-season but no be catch them say and a coach I see who now original pitch no so na
fancy
e be duru be the coach ni be sinje one kasa na be ka
but I think say it's good say they are going to start everything up but akoda ya sana ya can start for assigning I think say one we show Milo games bia in 2020 obe witness to akola quality 4 years time Adriana no kwakobo. The problem is not with Adriana. I'm really looking forward to the next step of development after Adriana. Anyhow Adriana will shape him up. Fine player. So that time no kwai fan say no 15 years na 16 na no bo Milo games na and I was say 4 years later. What am I say? And no was saying Obobo how many years were Adriana no free Adriana stepping stone in the beko say. We should be very careful and serious about player development. Fan koda be bring who kroma say. And ebini fancy me who boy we are coming come wasem. Superbly good. Good. The age level no no bro. The no city born no class no bro or ma no mo team Edwin fit team so kra. This is the time for him. Because the entire message is example no me who Richmond Opoku Amas the Lord player no. The move to Kotoko did not help Akoda no. I'm not saying Kotoko is a bad club. And I mean as a player no so a bad player. Sometimes some things are not meant to be
results oriented.
Some things are not meant to be at a specific time. Wait me but and yes that time there was also a different place and come back again or go and do something else and come back again. It's not mere concern about some of these moves about Nkoda ya show Mumilo games. The quality a bit is a Atonsu Benteke. Obo Heart of Lions. Last season we Benteke away. Oh, you see the development and some of these things we need to be very careful.
Azama akomye kan brings me to Sir Massimo Adabiame.
Ben take it there, so far Ben take it there.
Young players near Okrumano. And young managers no manage players no. I mean, says our business now, because I a friend of football no. So I want to here. And it's the more reason why some of the decisions I'm taking, I never have clubs, I say to honor a player, Timothy Jessica, at 2 years contract. Over 1 year, I will say you are not happy in the club, you want to leave.
And no mountain, no more pre woman.
Me do know why I'm in Tiasi.
I don't know.
Me name the but it's a business now because I want Tiasi. Even to open so qua the right channel or how be faso. I feel now so open vocal part or say what's the name I can one can ye. Business no me no want Tiasi. Sa bi okotoko. Nuruddin be seen a pre-season number be or my. Or no so name
contract.
Or contract that's no kotoko. Last year no was no kotoko. Ono so towards us or pese transfer as a dance or a nurse ni abra kotoko na aboni tua ka chen nurse adwuma na awoye no but also was an pre transfer me dwene ho am ntiase yes yem footballers ni yem managers no omo nsem na omo keke kan oto a won ntiase pass 2 years contract is what number chem
na mo teams akese ya na kaka moto bibi wo ha na esusu and small na esum wo ha na oto nyamenyum omo to bibi wo clubs ni mo ana
on say wo sa relatively smaller clubs na wo no ma bia otimi ya se obi anka wa se ba ba ha se die bi anka wo ba bia be ye pon match na betima tena ba bia ya time na ade no ha supporters na ma wonya wo time na pese wo ye no
obobo be time
se eno ye no other clubs Dubai ma ye
enya football no kwa in the facet of ye juma bia ene is a generational thing, a generation bebre akwadrofo. Yes, they don't want to go the extra mile to sacrifice and be committed to name omu yeno. And no by yielding to dividend achi. You're from Pokunti national team 1979 at the age of 17. I already played it 70 years. Being quite broche me using Ghana. While your age obromoso and you are playing house of folk. Now when I see Sebi Madrid or Barcelona, when I say F. And it's simple. There are issues there. But when you're a player, you must have it at the back of your mind, say, my decider ball na miss me ball. Ball na me bono. Ese me yim na ni ese me sua. Se ne be me ball bono bet depending on baby ase be. Sorry. We set target in life as a player. Yeah. Bese me ko ball CAF Champions League. Bese me ko ball Abia Ali or Mamelodi Sundowns or Tupusa Mazembe. Has your stepping stone. Life is not easy anywhere. Sebio agbesimano has of ogrunyani papa fi into your car or nantini open obey. You go through difficult challenges as a player. You must accept that it's part of life.
And I sank 1 season pay.
And you must make sure say manage big club be anywhere so any boy easy. No. Suleimane Koulibaly of the Shamrock, Scotland, and about Ali. And Paiboa one this until they sacked him.
Yeah.
Because I had no a so as a player, you must accept that look, playing a big club before Betwan I was a big club. Who do you speak to? Were you prepared? Were you ready? Only the expectation of a big club. When you became this house of folk, big gap. So the expectation or the demand on you are higher than maybe all. The freedom maybe no freedom no esobeti. I no anyone who be how many supporters do they have? How many people are watching? House of supporters they are very demanding because they're very demanding. Because club no so. Ultimate for average performance ba ano ni awo team na wona ye bo abaso na how ya normal. Because be uncophobia ba betwa sapa abo chen. And the bibi no ye nice from Queen House of Oak. The so call onya akwenya call Ali. Ana onya akweja call Sanders. Oko sign 3 years obo 1 season so many GTB call. It is time we start telling your players serious stuff. Our players are not serious. Most of them ain't serious. Most of them ever born no say agrobi no trimude kankan bi so about dream and spending time on phone almost resty and misbehaving. Some of these boys, you have no idea the kind of lady they will take you and I into be. I'm telling you. Meanwhile, I be a place but what two pa.
Oh, I'm course. I'm also a point, baby, of course. Well, talk about my Casiglubo Sokalu, our spiritual sickness and spiritual talks. Our olden days in church and in a Togbe at the Bemau. Joseph Fijasi Boomfa Hospital Junction 0244 484747. Just to face yes to brush one family course name. 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Hello, Kola.
Di Maria.
Oyibo, yet you.
I'm here, dear.
Adum.
And dear, me bought a fossa, basso, papa, I can't say. There are some man or can money come and canoe. And the football, I yesika. Who bought here? Who got the muska? Now you have to who bought the allowed to the come never do. Wow. Say, Madrid, the Akoto Ibad, the body I have na half of 4 players libi move bobo mo yibu yemu mo ball no na mo ni say move ball block kana kan dey two players no e two o mo di benant no o copy ni so a o ti ni ejuma ni sa o no na ma money fans if say obeye ejuma no be wan so bobo na 2 seasons no di ni ball na boy ni ye na half of focus ye so mo meeting ni do so todo who see dan so to financial year we didn't start ya na ya we yo ya show omuto quality my
Mate. Hello Kola. Hello. 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 Hello.
Yes, Abazi.
Opening it you.
Where you are, what you now, Robert? Because if he was in Casamita, you put that into an Anabuja Fiami. Abazi, I run a Macano. Also, we are going to football players here. Players of football Ghana here. Amutuba, player one time contract. I want house of folk. What if we won't know how to folk into? What make a house of folk? Keep a friend a camp through. I don't say, and so on, I was going to say, and let's go back for that. In a first, I do time a place in the in the best instruments to come and go to Chomoka. Oh, and you remember, I want to go out with you. If you didn't matter, you still are your heart, you know. Say, I want to have the house of folk. What plan my house of folk in Yashawa? What I was so young. What's the main time my house of folk in this going to know? What no manager? What is in the young boy? I had a heart in that. Let us see.
Mate, yeah, I'll say hello. Hello, caller. Hello.
Yeah, fancy.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning, Pacho.
Anna needs you.
I'm busy, my battle. I think it's a because and then I was 101. I am telling for my battle. So what you think in Yamama? You can meet it one and even for you, Momo. It's almost a crack. It's because the wire there. It's not the phone battle. That's what I want to
hello. Yes, sir. Good morning, Intio. Opening my into the lower volume, Mamma Wadaroma. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Yes, you.
Yo, but we didn't back on Sabbath, so I had the pandemic. Now, no, I was smoking. But I don't know why a person, yeah, my place in the fiat, said enough so you can. It didn't become more active standard. It is also Cristiano Ronaldo compare. There are lots of players on Bama, the Mambo Bobby, but also by an order, I be more value to the team. But yet, a billion of the players. The Israel is never bigger than Madrid team.
they have to leave. And if you the last of Vinicius Mom will take over. And the players don't have to sit here and Kasana. They are not willing to play. They are not willing to play. And you blame so many blaming managers to come off us and players by team. I don't know how much team is here. And you know, now to come for us and come back and say,
Yerasi P. Ebrena, so Yena and so quick. Well, JD kind happy birthday to Mami Wusua. Mami Wusua na wada from Munia Junior. I will quite so status say Mami Wusua. Yen show happy birthday. And I feel happy birthday to Sani so Ken Pfizer. Kasama for Sani. I'm say communication team no Sani cow. Sani and I would say Dabena Moba Mumi. Yeah, they see news.